Alright, out here looking at squatter, man. See if they swarmed or not. Rake out any queen cells. Check those supers briefly. And I'm going to swap that top to a telescoping cover. So, hope this happens in 8 to 15. It's downhill over there. How about Rottweiler? Oh, I'm in this hole. There's another hole there. That's not so bad. Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna glove up. It's been hot. I did film last week, but it didn't go so well. It was a lot of running around. So I may edit that down, we'll see. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to put these supers aside. Tip and scrape the queen cells. Put them back on, pop the new top on, strap and run. I'm going to strip this top till we're ready for that last maneuver. Oh, and I just, these tops are made out of paneling wood, or siding, or flooring, yeah. And as such, they're not solid on the tops. There's, little seam leaks. Seam leaks in wintertime, not good. So, at least that's what the beekeeper thinks. And based on water intrusion I've seen, yeah, that's what the beekeeper thinks. Alright. You can seal them, the bees will seal it, blah blah blah. Just fine in the summer, it's fine. But in the wintertime, thawing piles of snow trickling in. Yeah, I just tossed this super on last week, just as insurance. Actually, both of them. Well, no, this one. Just as insurance policy, really. So I don't know how heavy it is or not. Let's see. Let's see if they're in it at all. Yeah, they're at least looking at it, kind of guarding it. Not too bad. Set that there. Actually, no. Set that there. In the grass. And as long as they're being nice, we're going to do this. Actually, going to use this new cover for that. And it came off really easy. Pretty light, but not real light. So we're gonna drape them. Bloop. this thing. Smoke that thing. Smoke this thing. Smoke out there. More smoke up here. Now comes constructive destruction. Alrighty. For teaching purposes, I guess I'll do it this way. For demonstration. Smoke, everybody. If you want to be proactive and lay a cloth on one side, we're going to smoke this up here. And 1, 2, 3, cross comb, cross comb. On the bottom, and done. Alright, so feel pretty confident. I'm just going to smoke, set this here. Now, that's what this is for. Do it just right. Sure, I didn't want to go to the ground. All right. Smoke, everybody. Smoke, everybody. Ignore the beekeeper. Oh my gosh, it's fire! Fire! Let's have a look. Ants in there. Sorry, girls. Make this real quick. A box of bees. A little cell. Bye. That's it. Alright, everybody back. Chill, everybody chill, everybody chill, everybody chill. Smoke everywhere, smoke everywhere. Alright. Nice little wiggle. Alright. Make sure looks good, looks good, looks good. Smoke everywhere. Smoke everywhere, smoke everywhere, smoke everywhere. Smoke, smoke, oh my god, come on. Have a drink. Whoa, okay. Looks good, looks good. Ooh, have a drink. Alright, alright. Yo-ho, hoorah. Hey. Beekeeper's gonna sit down for a minute. It's raining. It's raining. Oh, what's going on? Why is it raining? So far they're just checking me out. Oh, that's very angry. Alright, you ready for the other box? You ready for a little bit cooler? A little bit cooler hive. Alright. Have a drink. Have a drink, have a drink. Have a drink, have a drink. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Smoke, 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 smoke. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Smoke down there. Smoke over there. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Smoke everywhere. Very light. All right. Now, the shocker. Oh, it's a stick. Dig this. So now when you put these on, little notch here. Some guys do them notch up, notch down. I want the bees up and out, not to come up over the wood and out. So, and then you put these on, you want to slide them to the front to open it, to the back to close it. So, make sure, I like to, that's that. I'm satisfied. Alright, so they don't seem to be very mad. So, come here. Oh, I got ants all over. I didn't bring my cinnamon in them. It's kind of problematic. I'll swing by the store local and grab some. All right, that's that. Oh. Alright, they should figure that out pretty easily. Let's have a look-see. I guess I should take that with me. Yeah. Slide it back a little. That's always fun. They love it when you do that. I'll take care of that here in a minute.